Let's review how to use Toolkit.law Help Center to navigate every tool and feature on the platform. Start by opening the Help section from the main menu. Here, you'll see multiple resources, each labeled clearly for topics like accordions, getting started, CLE participation, account plans, productivity suites, data boxes, and more. Click the title bar of any resource, and it instantly expands to reveal step-by-step guidance. Whether you're learning how to configure your workspace, download reports, manage team accounts, or understand tool layouts, every resource breaks the process down into clear, simple actions. You can move between topics quickly, expand multiple sections, or collapse them for a cleaner view. The Help Center is fully integrated with Toolkit.law's tools, letting you follow instructions while working inside the platform. This setup reduces errors, speeds up onboarding, and ensures your workflows stay consistent, whether you're handling CLE, billing, evidence, or configuration. And that is how you use Toolkit.law's Help section to master every feature with confidence.